Supplements claiming to support joint comfort and nerve health are everywhere, and FlexiLeaf is one of the latest being advertised with both benefits like reduced stiffness, improved mobility, and nerve soothing support. But the real question is, does it actually work? Let's break it down. So FlexiLeaf markets itself as a natural joint and nerve support formula, often listing ingredients like turmeric and curcumin, boswellia, glucosamine, chondroitin, MSM, and various antioxidants, all popular in joint formulas, plus nutrients sometimes linked to nerve functions like B vitamins or alpha lipoic acid. On the surface, those ingredients sound promising, but the proof is in the science and dosages. Here's the honest breakdown. Turmeric or curcumin, boswellia, MSM, and glucosamine or chondroitin. Some clinical studies show mild support for joint comfort and mobility, especially with consistent use and realistic expectations. B vitamins and alpha lipoic acid may help nerve health in cases of deficiency or certain neuropathy types. But, and this is key, supplements are not magic. They may support comfort or mobility alongside diet and exercise, but they don't cure structural joint damage or serious nerve disorders outright, and evidence varies widely depending on dose and formula quality. Real user feedback for FlexiLeaf and similar blends is mixed. Some report milder pain and improved movement after regular use, often alongside stretching or physical therapy. Others see no noticeable change or feel effects too subtle to matter. Any nerve-related benefit tends to be modest and individual, not dramatic. The final verdict: FlexiLeaf might help some people with mild joint comfort and general nerve nutrient support, but it's not a guaranteed fix. Real joint and nerve health comes from a holistic plan like food, movement, sleep, and medical guidance. The bottom line: think of this as mild support, not a miracle cure, and always talk to a healthcare pro before starting new supplements. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.